Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am present with the topic Scenario Manager in Excel. Actually, Scenario Manager is useful in the cases where you have more than two variables in sensitivity analysis. Scenario Manager creates like scenario for each set of the input value for the variables under consideration. Scenario helps you to explore a set of possible outcome varying as many as 32 input sets. And if you want to analyze more than 32 input sets and the value represent only one or like two variable, you can use data table. Although it is limited to only one or two variable, a data table can include as many different input value as you want. Right? A scenario is like a set of value that Excel saves and can substitute automatically on your worksheet. You can create and save different group of value as scenarios on a worksheet, and then you can switch between these scenarios to view the different results. For example, I am taking here kitty party expense analysis just for understanding, like you can understand easily the scenario analysis and you can use it according to your field or according to your use. So let's get started with this. Here I have taken the example of kitty party expense analysis. Here I have items like which you will be offering to the guests in kitty party, but you want to know the quantity. You don't know the quantity of this which you want to offer. You know the cost, and you also don't know the number of guests, and you want to see what will be the total grand cost, and you want to plan accordingly how much item will be offering per guest, or like how many number of guests you will invite so that it comes in your budget, right? So when you come in the data tab, and in that, in what if analysis, here is a scenario manager, goal seek and data table. I have already made video on goal seek and data table, which is like sensitivity analysis. In goal seek you can use it when you have only one variable, and in data table when you have like two variable constants, means you have two variable and you want to see the result on the basis of two variable. But scenario manager enable us to use more than two variables, as we will see here, to see the final outcome. So here we are using scenario manager. We can make as many as scenarios as you want. Here I am taking three scenarios like bad, worst or good or normal, right? So here I am adding, click on the button add. It is asking for scenario name. Here I am giving scenario name as bad. Like what can be the worst case? And now here it is asking for changing cells, means what are your variable cells which you want to change, right? Which you don't know, or you know the value of someone. So here I am taking this, comma, this, comma, this, comma. So here I have put gift quantity 1 because I don't want to give more than one gift to any guest. Now here is this, and now comma, we also want to know what should be the number of guests. See, right? Here I am setting a number of guests. Now okay. Now it will asking for enter value for each of the changing cells. Like here I can say one guest can consume mostly, in worst case, three number of cup of teas, right? Here accordingly samosas, like one can have enough three samosas, and so here it's two, and so here is three, and like guests are suppose 12. Okay, now you can add here one more scenario. I am giving it name normal. Cells are same, right? Pressing OK. Here you can like, I can normally two. Here you can normally consume two, and here also 2, and here then 3, and here let's suppose I have 10. Okay, now we will add one more scenario, which is the best case, which is the economy case, right? So here pressing OK, it is like 2, and now here I can use 1, here I can use 1, here I can use 2. Number of guests, when I am reducing the quantity, I can put number of guests here also, then, right? And okay, or whatever you want, it is for your sake, whatever you want you can put the values. Okay, now here is a button show. We put this aside. If you click on bad and click show, see, if someone have 3 cup of tea and samosa, then like this, his grand total will be 5160. If according to this data and according to number of these guests, your grand total will be 5160. In normal case, we show it would cost you 4100, right? And in best case, it will cost you 3550, right? So accordingly, you can manage your expenses, you can plan your activities, right? Here we have one more option in this of summary. You can click on summary here. uh, Default result is this because we want this result, so okay. Now if you see on the new sheet, scenario summary, we have this value and it is using the cell name, not the value we have entered in that. So you can accordingly change these names also, and here is your the cases, like best case one is here current values, right? In best case your will be 35, 50, 4100 and 5160. So here is the summary. So analyze according to your plan, according to this scenario, and you can use this even, kitty party expense analysis is like as simple example, which everyone can use. Means if I can use in this, you can use in anything you want to plan, where you have 3 to 4 cases, 3 to 4 scenarios, and you have more than 2 or 3 variables, you can use this scenario analysis. I hope you understand scenario analysis in Excel, and we will meet soon in our next video. But please don't forget to like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.